Why do some traders always seem one step ahead, making smarter moves, staying calm under pressure, and growing their accounts steadily? What if the difference wasn't just experience or luck, but the platform they've chosen? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to show you why so many traders are turning to Innohedge Limited. And by the end of this video, you might just understand what sets it apart and why people are talking about it. Imagine this. You're a trader. You wake up, open your laptop, and check the markets. But instead of feeling overwhelmed, you're excited because you're using tools that actually make sense, because you're backed by a system that's built for real traders. This is what trading with Innohedge feels like. From the very first click, traders say it feels different, smoother, smarter, and way more in tune with what they actually need. Innohedge Limited isn't just another Forex broker. It was built with traders in mind, not just numbers, charts, and cold data, real traders with real goals. The platform is simple but powerful. You get clear information, fast execution, and support that actually listens. Traders don't have time to deal with delays or confusing dashboards. That's why everything at Innohedge is designed to help you trade better, not slower. But here's something even more important. Innohedge Limited doesn't just focus on giving you tools, it focuses on helping you use them right. From educational resources, regular market insights, to smart trading features, like indicators that actually help you make sense of the trends. It's all there. The traders say it feels like the platform is guiding them, not just watching them trade. And let's talk about support, because when something goes wrong, you want to know someone's there. At Innohedge, you're never left in the dark. The support team works around the clock to help you solve issues fast. But that kind of backup gives traders real peace of mind. We also can't ignore the trading environment. Tight spreads, fast order execution. It's tools like BBMA, indicators that many traders rely on. This isn't just for beginners or pros. It's for anyone serious about trading. And with regular platform updates, Innohedge shows it's not staying still. It's always moving forward, just like its traders. But here's the fun part. This video is also a little challenge. In the comments, we want to hear from you. What's the number one thing you look for in a trading platform? Is it speed? Support? Tools? Education? Drop your answer below, and let's see what traders really care about. Might even find other traders replying to your comment with their own tips and stories. So, if you've been looking for a broker that gets it, that understands trading is more than just numbers, maybe it's time to see why more and more traders are choosing Innohedge Limited. Not just because it works, but because it works for them. Thanks for watching. Let the comments war begin. We'll be reading them all.